Come along and explore this home for sale in Vail, Colorado. Nestled in the heart of the valley, this home places you moments from the ski slopes, hiking trails, and the vibrant village scene. The spacious layout offers 4 beds, 4 baths, and just over 4,000 square feet. Vaulted ceilings, expansive windows, and an open concept design fill the interior with natural light while capturing breathtaking mountain views. A contemporary kitchen, complete with premium appliances and high-end touches, seamlessly connects to the dining and living areas. Ideal for everything from cozy nights in to lively gatherings. A private deck invites you to savor Colorado's outdoors year-round. Seize the opportunity to experience the best of Vail living here at 2699 Davos Trail.